welcome to Cheekyricho Pithiviers. It's a little French pastry, great to have at Christmas time or just with a coffee. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. The first thing that we've got here is some butter and some sugar. We're going to cream that together and add our rum, our egg yolk and our ground almonds. Then we're going to just use store-bought puff pastry and make our little pithiviers with that. Okay, to a mixing bowl we just add our caster sugar and our room temperature soft butter, and we're just going to cream that until it's nice and soft and well combined. Now pithiviers are traditionally round, so we've just cut our little pastries into 4 and they're going to be sandwiched together with the filling in between and have a spiral pattern on the top of it. Now our butter is nicely creamed now. We're sending in our egg yolk, drying out under these lights, and our spiced rum. A bit of salad jerry's in there. And once you're happy with that, we throw in our almond meal. Almond meal is just ground almonds. Mix that all together. Now, on our baking tray, we pop our pieces of pastry. Cut them in a round if you want to, doesn't really matter. Spoon our mixture into the center. It will have a hump in the middle. Beat our egg so that we can use it as a base and a sealer for our pastry. You'll get 4 out of this. There, and we'll cut another piece of pastry into 4 to go on the top. There, our almond, butter and sugar and egg mixture goes in there now, and I'll cut another piece to go on the top. Okay, just in 4 like before. And we're just going to brush a bit of our beaten egg around the outside of our pithiviers. And continue with the rest. Alrighty, now. And we just pop our little squares of pastry on top and press it down, trying to keep as much air out of it as you can so that they don't burst. Okay, mixed. Now when you're convinced that it's all held into place properly, we're just going to pinch the edges and roll them over to seal it. Pinch it. Round off those squarish sort of corners and do the same with the rest. Okay, once you've got them all pretty well tidied up, we're just going to pinch and twist. Pinch and twist. And that's going to give us a little frill around the edge and seal it completely. Once you've done that, they look like a bit like daisies, don't they? Once you've done that, we're going to brush them with the egg wash. Okay, now brush the whole lot, including the little crazy frill around the edge with your egg wash. A very stiff brush. I think I'm going to swap for a softer brush than that. A silicone brush, that's better. Oh, that's a lot softer. It's going on all the little nooks and crannies now. Make sure you get printing in this little frill because that's going to have lots of flavour in it as well. Yeah, try and use a nice soft brush. Even a paintbrush would do the job if it's a nice and clean, bought for the purpose. This will give us a nice gloss too. Nice shiny brown gloss, golden puffed and delicious. Make sure we've got all our little nooks and crannies egged up. Now, the next thing you're supposed to do is get a sharp knife, and with that cutting into the pastry, just score it in a little swirly pattern, like so. But don't go right through the pastry. Sort of look like shower caps, don't they? Can you see the pattern on that now? Okay. And we just give it another little light brush on top of that pattern. Okay, and continue with the rest. Okay, our little pithiviers are all daisied up and egged up. Into the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees, and we take them out, brush them again with some egg and sprinkle some caster sugar on it, and they'll have a nice glaze on top of it then. We've just taken them out, brushed them with a bit more of our egg wash. We'll kind of seal it a little bit. Sprinkle them liberally with caster sugar, and that'll give us a nice sugary glossy crust. Back into the oven, 180 degrees for 10 more minutes. Okay, 10 minutes later at 180 degrees, and this is what you would have. Look how gorgeous they are. So sticky and syrupy. I'll show you the bottom. They're nice and brown. Let them cool a little bit. Ah, too nice. And have them with a hot cup of coffee or maybe a favourite cocktail. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking.Ep. It almost feels like I've got a speech impediment. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back to visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great Christmas. Don't forget to check out our Christmas playlist. We've got enough recipes there to keep you going for the next 75 years. Thanks for watching. Okay, I'm going to cut one of these in half, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. It's still molten hot in the centre. Look at we have here. It's so hot and delicious. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's have a little try of this, shall we? Molten hot and very buttery and nutty. So delicious. And I can taste the rum. Yum yum. Wow. 90 grams of butter, 100 grams of almonds, a couple of sheets of puff pastry and a bit of sugar, a couple of eggs. Tell me that doesn't look divine.